Fauji Fertilizer Company is the largest urea fertilizer manufacturer in Pakistan. The company was established by Fauji Foundation in March 1979, successfully acquired from the Privatization Commission 100% management control of Pak Saudi fertilizer, Mehmood. The production capacity of our urea manufacturing facilities has now more than tripled from 0.57 million tons per annum in 1982 to almost 2 million tons per annum in the short span of less than 25 years of use. In our endeavor for self-reliance in the area of critical maintenance activities, a new fabrication shop facility has been set up at plant site Machi, which can handle repair fabrication of equipment even in excess of 100 tons weight. An old titanium stripper replaced at Mehmood after 11 years of operation has been salvaged and rehabilitated in Machi workshop facilities. This has saved the company more than 250 million rupees in foreign exchange. The most critical and expensive equipment of the urea plant. It operates at high temperature and pressure in a highly corrosive environment. After acquisition of ESFL Mehmood, major concern was reliability of urea stripper, which needed urgent replacement. An innovative idea of rehabilitation by shortening one old titanium stripper was conceived as the most time and cost-effective solution. The task was quite challenging, and fabrication of this order is handled for the first time in this region of the world. This titanium urea stripper remained in service from March 1989 to November 1995 and caused 10 shutdowns until overturn in November 1995. After overturning, only one shutdown was experienced until 2000, when it was replaced. In order to evaluate the health of 2,800 urea stripper tubes, non-destructive test, eddy current inspection has been carried out with the assistance of foreign experts, Messrs. Donigani, Italy. Eddy current inspection results confirmed that corrosion is only at the tube ends and the remaining part is healthy enough to perform the refurbishment by shortening the stripper. Design adequacy was confirmed for the shortened tube length. For the shortening of 2,800 titanium tubes, many specialized operations have been conducted. To begin with, the removal of tube-to-tube sheet 5600 seal weld at both ends has been carried out. About 900 tubes in the central region have been found badly bent. These are straightened by special locally fabricated jigs without stressing the tube and deformation. A portion of both tube sheets have been found badly corroded. Pressure-resisting carbon steel part of cladded tube sheet has been eaten away underneath the titanium cladding in irregular pattern. The damaged area extended up to 7 tube sheet holes in each tube sheet. A special repair procedure has been developed and applied. A 25 mm thick titanium sheet screwed with 10 mm thick stainless steel sheet have been welded with carbon steel bar. This whole arrangement is finally welded with both tube sheets respectively. Rough trimming and final length adjustment of 2800 tubes has been performed at our fabrication and machine shop facilities. Tube facing and lathe machines have been utilized simultaneously for the job. After inside cleaning and final length adjustment of tubes, it has been observed that inside diameter of tubes is not uniform. Therefore, tubes have been segregated and categorized to have good fit of farood. After 5600 tube sheet holes cleaning, cage assembly and final tube length adjustment, 2800 tubes have been smoothly inserted with locally fabricated pilots. Overhang of central region tubes from the last Dept plate made it difficult to pull the tube sheet onto the tubes in one go, as these tubes are misaligned with their corresponding tube sheet holes. Special arrangements have been made to guide each tube into its tube sheet hole one by one. For shell welding with channel heads, interpass temperature of 200 degrees centigrade has been maintained with heat treatment machine and locally fabricated natural gas burner. As welding on highly thick pressure parts is not advisable in one continuous go, special ring arrangements have been developed to rotate the channel heads through 360 degrees. Welding of titanium tubes with tube sheet is a specialized job. This specialized job has been performed by experienced Olmi welders. Olmi, the original equipment manufacturer, is an Italian company. To ensure the reliability of the equipment, our inspection unit has performed various non-destructive tests at all stages of the stripper rehabilitation. The rehabilitation of Urea stripper of FFC 3 project has been successfully accomplished and rolled out on 24th February 2003.